Hey, what's up everybody? Let's quickly talk about anti-money laundering training. It's a requirement that if you are licensed to sell life insurance, you have to complete this. And we find that it is one of the most common hiccups that licensed agents have when they're trying to submit a new case and it gets held up and they don't know why. It's because every carrier has a different requirement for AML training. And so you've got to make sure that it's up to date, whether it's through LIMRA, WebCE, another carrier. Regardless if you did it through LIMRA, WebCE, or another carrier, you might find a new company that comes along and says they don't accept any of those. So you have to be prepared to complete AML throughout the year. I know it's a pain in the ass, but guess what? You got to suck it up. So what we did was we created a short how-to guide on the 2 common ways and most widely accepted ways you can complete your AML. So let's dive in and take a look real quick. So first, what you got to do is got to go visit the Redbird Agents website. That's redbirdagents.com. And you're going to go up to the free resources tab here. You're going to click it. And we're going to go right here to AML training is a requirement. Here's 2 easy ways to get it done. So it's really easy to access. And what's great about this article is we talk about the 2 ways you can do it. WebCE. And that's a really good way if you're brand new. You can go in, you can buy the course, you can take it, and then you can submit it with your contracting paperwork to any of your FMOs or wholesalers or whoever it is that you're working for. LIMRA is going to be the company that most of the companies will work with LIMRA. And so once you get contracted, they will submit to LIMRA, which will provide a login for you. So LIMRA doesn't cost anything, but it's going to be tougher to do LIMRA as a new agent than it is if you do WebCE. Either one works. But I would say if you're brand new, do WebCE to make it simple. And then once you're licensed and appointed, you can keep it updated every year using LIMRA. So in this article, we walk through exactly the steps that you need to take to get through both of them. So if I'm scrolling down, you go to this link here. It'll launch the WebCE Redbird Agents account. And you'll simply click your course catalog. You'll pick your state. You'll pick your exam type. And you'll go down to your course. Very, very simple, guys. You just need to go in and pick your course in your state, add it to your cart, and check out, and you're done. From there, you take your test, you study, and you have your certificate. The second way to do it is through LIMRA. Again, LIMRA is going to be for those of you that are already licensed and appointed that have to renew your AML every year thereafter. So once you are appointed with a carrier, odds are you are in the LIMRA system. At that point, you go to LIMRA AML. You can click this link here, and you'll go to the AML training login. If you forgot your information, it's super intuitive. Just click forgot password, forgot login. It's easy. Don't be scared. Okay. Once you're logged in, you'll be able to see the different courses that have been submitted for you. And then what's most important is this right here, this completion date. And you'll know what I mean once you log in and look at it. But that completion date is what you need to give the carriers. And so if a carrier asks you for a LIMRA certificate, you're not going to get it because LIMRA doesn't give certificates. But what they do give is a completion date. So all you need to do to satisfy your AML with LIMRA is say, I completed it on this date through LIMRA, and that should suffice. If not, worst case scenario, you can take a screenshot and send that to your carrier to satisfy your AML contracting. So go to redbirdagents.com, go to free resources. You can see all the free resources here. You're going to click AML, and this will walk you step by step. Hope this has been helpful, and let us know if you have any questions. Thanks, everybody.